Greetings! Today we're visiting Hollis and Sutton, two new home collections by Lennar in the FivePoint Valencia community of Santa Clarita. These neighborhoods are the first homes being developed on the east side of Commerce Center Drive, where the road currently ends to the north. This presentation is brought to you by your local real estate team, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Approaching Hollis and Sutton from Mesa Place, you'll find the neighborhood situated atop a scenic ridge with beautiful views of the Santa Clarita Valley and the surrounding mountains. Like the other neighborhoods throughout FivePoint Valencia, the streets and common areas are well maintained and feature attractive, drought-tolerant landscaping. Together, Sutton and Hollis will include approximately 182 single-family homes and will eventually form one connected neighborhood. These modern two-story homes range from approximately 2,600 to over 3,500 square feet. Sutton offers the smaller floor plans, while Hollis features the larger homes with additional living space and several upgraded design features. Depending on the plan, buyers can choose from 4 or 5 bedrooms, bonus rooms, or lofts, California rooms, and thoughtfully designed floor plans with front and backyards and 2-car garages. One thing we especially like about Sutton and Hollis is the way they bring more traditional single-family homes to the FivePoint Valencia community. While many of the newer neighborhoods consist of attached homes, detached condos, or townhomes, these collections offer the classic suburban lifestyle with private yards and more outdoor space. Homeowners here will also enjoy access to Confluence Park, miles of walking trails, several neighborhood parks, and the new Vantage Park recreation area, which is nearing completion. Yes, there are monthly HOA fees and an annual Mellow Bruce. To view current home listings and learn more about nearby schools, shopping, dining, and local conveniences, click the link in the description to visit GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. You'll also find detailed guides and videos covering nearly every neighborhood in FivePoint Valencia and throughout all of Santa Clarita. And before you visit or register with the builder, be sure to contact us first. That allows us to represent you from the very beginning and help protect your best interests throughout the home buying process. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, we'd love to help. And remember, when you work with us, there's never any sales pressure, ever. Until next time, bye for now.